Go.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Good morning, Ms. Clemente. We are here to represent our research proposal. Let me introduce my member. I am Mariwen Tanelon and Carmel Tambariatos, one of my member, and we are UMS 11B Group 3. Our research proposal is all about artificial intelligence, qualitative research on AI's impact in education. Our research problem, AI, became a part of our life. We even know it. As a student, it helps us with the task, homework, and activities. However, according to education, well, AI has ability or has a potential to further advance, even students becoming over-reliant on AI. AI or artificial intelligence tools has ability to write essay, poems, any subject, even generate artwork. Now, these abilities of AI has expert. However, it can also bullet-proof and affect how capability of a student to think critically and user problem-solving skills. Then, can result negligence. Other facets of our brain. Now, this risk can affect our other facets, our education as well.
Our research rationale. This research includes students know the impact of artificial intelligence in their studies. Our research aims to let students know their limitations in using artificial intelligence in their studies so that they will not overuse it over time. Our objectives, the study specifically aims to determine the respondents' experience on using AIs to the learning of students, to enumerate the positive and negative effects of artificial intelligence in the learning of students, and also to explain how students cope up being dependent on artificial intelligence. Expected outputs of this research. The research will provide more information about the contribution of artificial intelligence in the learning of students. It will also provide the positive and negative effects in the diligent students to study. Our research significance. This study aims to help students to be responsible user of artificial intelligence to prepare students for their tech-driven world, fostering critical thinking and problem-solving skills for their future access. One of our beneficiaries are students. This research will help students to consider using artificial intelligence in a good way, where they will use it with discipline.
Our review literatures in discussing how AI affects students. We're talking about how it influences their educational experience and emotional reactions. This includes how AI impacts their learning process, attitudes or toward technology, and overall well-being within the academic environment. For example, AI can positively affect students by providing personalized learning experiences that cater to their individual needs, boosting their confidence and motivation. On the other hand, it could also lead to concern about privacy, reliance on technology, or feeling of frustration. If not implemented, effectively understanding these policymakers to optimize the use of AI in education and ensure it benefits students in meaningful ways.
In conclusion, in this study, artificial intelligence has impacted the learning of students. Some as positive that results in diligence and students become critical thinker. And the negative result is that students become lazy and dependent on artificial intelligence. Overall, it is still the student's decision on how they will use AI in their learning.
Theoretical conceptual, nowadays, information technology is integrated as a part of our life activities. It does not affect only teaching and learning methods at all levels, but also the teaching styles of each teacher will suitable for the digital age. Therefore, the standardized platform should create for all teachers effectively. Ser- Serve for the future education policy. This research aims to synthi- synthesize, and develops a framework of an artificial intelligence learning platform for education and estimate the framework's suitable su- suitability. The research is discussed into three phases: synthis- synthesizing an intelligence learning platform by using education and evaluating the suitability of the framework by experts. The result found that very good the suitability evaluation of the framework of an artificial intelligence learning platform for education was very good. The results show that this framework could develop a learning platform for preparing transformation to the digital age.
Methodology. Our research sites to be at Dr. Nasetti Rizal Senior High School, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Respondents of the study, the possible respondents of the research, are the students who are enrolled at the Alternative Learning Program of DJPR Senior High School. Research design and data collection. The researchers will use qualitative research to collect information about students' experience in using artificial intelligence. Research instrument. We researchers will use 5 questions to gather the data of respondents. And here is our literature cited. That's all for today. Thank you, ma'am. That
Thank
that
you.
that's our presentation of our research